Good morning, students. Today we are going to see that in class 7 term 2 chapter 2 measurements. In measurements, in last class we saw that area of the circle, circumference of the circle. This today we are going to see that area of the pathways, area of pathways. So we are going to find area of pathways. Okay. So what is area of pathways? So first we see the circular pathways. The area of pathway is the difference between the area of the outer circle and inner circle. So what is area of the pathway? If we draw the two circles, if we draw the same place, we draw the two circles, area of pathway is difference between the area of the outer circle, area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. This is the radius of the outer circle, this is radius of the inner circle. So we have to find area of the pathway means this place, this portions. So we are going to find area of this portion is how you have to find. So area of the outer circle, we minus the area of the inner circle, we find the pathway. Okay, so that is area of pathway is the difference between the area of the outer circle and inner circle. So in the outer circle radius, we denote the letter R, capital R. Outer circle we denote the letter capital R. Inner circle radius we denote the small r. So inner circle radius denote the small r. So how we have to find area of the pathway? So area of the circular pathway is equal to area of the outer circle. We know the area of the circle formula is pi r squared. Yes. So area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. So area of the outer circle pi r squared, area of the inner circle pi r squared. This is capital R, small r. So the pi we taken as common, capital R squared minus small r square, square units. So area of the circular pathway is pi of capital R squared minus small r squared. Okay, so what is circular pathway? Yes, a pathway is difference between the area of the outer circle and inner circle. Area of the outer circle and inner circle. If we minus area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle, we get area of the pathway. That only we denote the formula pi of capital R squared minus small r squared. Capital R denote outer circle radius, small r denotes inner circle radius. Next, not only in circular pathway, we are going to find the rectangular pathways also. Okay, the same. The pathway means we have to minus outer, we have to minus the inner area. So outer area minus inner area. Here, area of the inner rectangle, we denote the small letters, small l and small b. Length we denote the small l, breadth is small b. Outer rectangle we denote the capital L, capital B. Here what is L plus 2W? W is wide. So the distance of the pathway. This is capital and small l. In between we have some distance. This distance only we called wide. This only we called wide. W-I-D-E, wide. So this is a difference only wide. So this wide, we have to find length of the outer rectangle. So we have to add from the inner rectangle, we have to add the two distance, wide distance. So if you want to find this length, so we know that suppose this is 10, here this is 2 meter, this is 2 meter. So our outer rectangle is 10 plus 2 plus 2, 14. So that only is small, capital L is equal to small l plus 2W, that is 2 into wide. So breadth is equal to the same we have to add breadth. This is 4. So this is 2. This is 2 means 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. So 2 wide we have to add. That is breadth plus 2 wide. That is outer rectangle breadth. So outer rectangle L we denote capital L. It is small l plus 2w. Capital B is equal to small b plus 2w. That is outer rectangle area is capital LB. Outer rectangle area is capital LB. So area of the pathway is equal to area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. So area of the outer rectangle is capital LB minus area of the inner rectangle is small lb. Next, exercise 2.3. So find the area of the circular pathway whose outer radius is 32 cm and inner radius is 18 cm. They given outer radius is 32, inner radius is 18. So we should draw the diagram. Outer radius 32, inner radius 18. So area of the pathway formula is, yes, we know that area of the outer circle minus inner circle. So pi of capital R squared minus small r squared. We know the pi value is 22 by 7. So r squared is capital R is 32. 32 squared minus small r is 18. 18 square. So 32 square means 32 into 32. We multiple means we get 1024. 18 square means we have to multiple 18 into 18. This is 32 into 32. 324. So we subtract, we get 700. 1 7 is 7. 100 7s are 700. 22 into 100 is 2200 centimeter square. So 2200 square centimeter. This is area of the circular pathway. Next, there is a circular lawn of radius 28 meter. A path of 7 meter width is laid around the lawn. What will be the area of the path? So, they not given the outer circle radius. What they given? There is a circular lawn that is 28 meters. So, we have circular lawn that is 28 meter. There is the path. We have path 7 meter. The path 7 meter width is laid around the circle. Circular lawn is laid around the circular lawn. So every place we add 7 meter. So what is the outer circle radius? Yes, 28 plus 7, 35. Yes, already inner circle radius 28. 7 meter wide we have to draw the path. So 28 plus 7 is 35. So our outer radius is 35 meter. Inner radius is 28 meter. We know that area of the pathway pi of capital R square minus small r square. 22 by 7, 35 square minus 28 square. 35 square is 125. 1225 minus 784. So we cancel, we minus 441. If we cancel, 6 7s are 42, remainder 2, 3 7s are 21. So 22 into 63, 1386 meter squared. Next, third question. A circular carpet whose radius is 106 centimeter is laid on a circular hall of radius 120 centimeter. Find the area of the hall uncovered by the carpet. So we have one circular carpet. The circular carpet radius is 106 centimeter is laid on a circular hall. So we have circular hall that is 120 centimeter radius. So 120 centimeter radius circular hall, we place the 106 centimeter circular carpet. So we have to find the area of the hall uncovered by this is the carpet. So uncovered place means what? This place. So we have to find this place means we know that is pathway. That is pathway. So if you want to find this is area of the pathway. So outer radius is 120 centimeter, inner radius is 106 centimeter. Area of the hall uncovered by the carpet is area of the pathway. that is pi of capital R square minus small r square. 120 squared is 14,400 minus 106 square is 11,236. If we subtract, we get 3,164. So 4,452. We cancel 452. Multiple means we get 9,944 centimeter square. Next, the figure shown is the aerial view of the pathway. Find the area of the pathway. So, the figure shown. This is area of the inner rectangle, area of the outer rectangle. We have to find area of the pathway. So, outer rectangle. So, length of the outer rectangle is 80. Length of the inner rectangle is 70. Breadth of the outer rectangle is 50. Breadth of the inner rectangle is 40. We know that area of the pathway is equal to area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. Area of the outer rectangle formula is capital L into B minus area of the inner rectangle is small l into small b. So, A2 outer rectangle length 80, breadth 50 and inner rectangle is 70 into 40. So 4000 minus 2800, we get 1200 meter square. So my dear students, I think you understand area of the circular pathway and area of the rectangular pathway. So wherever we have to find the pathway, we have to minus you have to minus the inner area. So thank you students. Have a nice day.